What's up guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a makeup tutorial. So you know, it's just a makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna name this yet, but I like it. I think it's cute. I like this highlight, boom. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before we get into the video, and make sure you hit that notification button too so you don't miss any more videos, alright? Alright, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This one is Bling Boss. So it's these cute little palettes. They're about like $15 at Ulta. Actually, I'm gonna use the color Hush Hush for my transition color. So instead of going into my crease color, I'm gonna go right into my lid. Yeah, so it's a little easier for me if I do my transition lid then crease. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I do it. My Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the 3501. Creamsicle, this one right lies. This one right here. So now I'm gonna go back into the Bling Boss palette and I'm going to use the color Rockstar. This one down here. Sorry about that, guys. This one. Take a little bit of this color down here, Sparks, and I'm gonna add that at the outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. hydrating primer. Start off with my face because it is cold right now in New York. It is cold and I need my skin to stay hydrated. Next, I'm gonna use my stick foundation from, who is this from? Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Chestnut. One of the matchsticks in Rihanna's matchstick trio in the color Caramel to highlight. The color Truffle in the matchstick trio to contour. Then I'm going to bake for 5 minutes at 350 degrees with my Airspun Loose powder. And while I bake, usually I would put on eyeliner, but I don't think I'm gonna put on eyeliner today. I think I'm just gonna do lashes. The lashes I'm going to use are from Kiss Cosmetics. These are in the style Corset. I'm gonna use Duo Lash Glue, but the one with the brush. Alright, so this is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. Okay, those are on. Well, whatever, my lashes is on. Ooh, child. Okay, I spoke too soon. This one's not on. A little dash of Sparks on my bottom lash line. Now that I'm done baking at 350 degrees, girl, it's time to wipe off the excess powder. I'm annoying. I'm dead annoying. Powder bronzer in the color Cappuccino. And now I'm just going to set all of that with my lucky trusty Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355 Coconut. Now it's time for my favorite part, highlighting. I'm going to use the Rihanna Kilowatt in color How Many Carats? I love this one. In How Many Carats? All of them, sis. All of the carats. I don't know what she was doing with this highlighter because I can't even put too much on if I wanted to. Like, you know, with Trophy Wife, you can't just like go in there and put it on because it's gonna be extra blinding. You know, with her first couple of highlighters, you know, you gotta be a little sparing with them. You gotta be light-handed. This one, oh, I'm sorry, I'm blinding you guys. This one, you don't have to be. Like, you can try and be as heavy-handed as you want. It's still not gonna look like too much. Little brow bone highlight, just a little bit. Then I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay setting spray. This one is Up All Nighter. For lips, I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. A brown lip liner. This one's from NYX, and it's just a regular brown lip liner in the color Espresso. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna use a MAC lipstick in the color Faux. It's a lip gloss or it's a not lip gloss? That is the question. I'm not gonna put any lip gloss on right now because I'm actually gonna go out. Actually going out in a little bit. What time is it? But that is it, you guys. This is my look. This is my makeup look for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below letting me know that you like videos like this so I can do more of them. Go ahead and make sure you follow my Instagram at @Scarlett_. I'm gonna put that up on the screen, of course. If you didn't get to at the beginning of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I have nothing else to say. I'm running late, so I will see you guys in the next one. I love you all so much. Bye.